Now, Nikhil Jain doesn't answer the question, says, why are we doing a debate? Do you want to add to what I said?
नहीं, निखिल का I sympathize with my good friend Nikhil because for some odd reason his Chinese printer isn't working today, so he is busy shuffling around some placards. But to come back to my good friend फैजान साहब, जिन्होंने मतलब मैं अब इनको कांग्रेस का राहुल गांधी का सक्सेसर मानना चाहूंगा बिकॉज इतने कम समय में इतने ज्यादा झूठ इससे पहले सिर्फ राहुल गांधी ने बोले। इन्होंने क्या कहा जब मैंने इनको चैलेंज किया था कि आप प्रूव करें कि ये गलत है कि समाजवादी पार्टी ने प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट को वायलेट किया था, व्यास परिवार को बैन करना 1993 में जब मुलायम सिंह यादव जी, लेट मुलायम सिंह यादव जी वो द चीफ मिनिस्टर, इन्होंने कहा ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया था। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट की जजमेंट है 2024 में दैट डीम्ड दिस एक्ट ऑफ समाजवादी पार्टी एंड मुलायम सिंह यादव जी एज इलीगल। अब आप कहिए क्या इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट भी झूठ बोल रहा है फैजान साहब? तभी कहा बार बार प्रणेश के शो पे आप अगर फेक न्यूज फैलाएंगे तो 2-2 मिनट में पकड़े जाएंगे।
निखिल जैन
played no first of all what the SP spokesperson played was a public bite given by the family to various television channels. Now if you're saying the family is lying, if you're saying that Modi ji gave a Padma Vibhushan award to somebody who is so anti Sanatan, I don't really know what are we talking about. And I'm sorry, but the BJP spokesperson is not here to answer because he would not be here to answer the kind of nonsense that the
one minute. Very easy for you to use words like nonsense. I'll tell you what the nonsense is. The nonsense, and because you're talking about Padma awards, who gave Bharat Ratna to himself and who gave it to herself? बताइए, what does it prove? नहीं, what does it prove? What does the Bharat Ratna prove? Nikhil?
Bharat Ratna, we're talking about Mulayam Singh Yadav ji.
Now don't run away. Now you were talking about waxing eloquent on Padma Awards. Dr. Ranganathan, why does Nikhil Jain do it?
Padma Awards. I am talking about Mulayam Singh Yadav.
Of course you were talking about why did the BJP give Padma Award to Mulayam Singh Yadav, late Mulayam Singh Yadav, if he was, if he didn't believe in Sanatan, etc. What does it prove? Dr. Ranganathan, Bharat Ratna, Nehru gave Bharat Ratna to himself, Indira gave it to herself.
Technically, of course, metaphorically and symbolically they did, but technically क्योंकि इससे बच जाएं वो उन्होंने ये पूरा शरारत खेला कि हमने अपने आप को नहीं दिया, राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी ने हमें दिया. But the fact is, as serving prime ministers, they should not have accepted Bharat Ratna. That's another matter. But why has Nikhil, my good friend, muddled the waters? I asked a point blank question. Dispute the fact. Challenge I open. That the Samajwadi Party did not itself violate the Places of Worship Act. They have not been able to do it. अब कोई भारत रत्ना ला रहा है, कोई कह रहा है कि वो छुट्टी पे चले गए थे इसलिए हमने स्टील। देखिए, फेक न्यूज मत फैलाइए। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट का कंटेम्प्ट होगा अगर आप झूठ बोलेंगे। जो मेरे अभी जिनको मैं वोट देने वाला हूं, आप अतीकुर रहमान साहब से पूछ लीजिए।
अतीकुर रहमान साहब, आप ही बता दीजिए।
Pranesh, I have an important point to make. If you are objecting to an opposition leader like Akhilesh Yadav visiting a mosque,
I am not.
What was the prime
No, 1 minute. I am not objecting to Akhilesh Yadav visiting a mosque. I am not. I am objecting to what he said about Yogi Adityanath when he visited Kumbh. Atikur Rahman साहब, ऐसे सवाल को ट्विस्ट क्यों कर देते हैं आप? Who am I to object?
Prime Minister in his constitutional position doing in a Bora mosque. At that time you supported him. The Boras are declared non-Muslims. That's why he was there. But it was a Bora mosque. So I have revealed that you are exposed now. Secondly, if you are saying that Akhilesh is visiting a mosque and comparing it to Yogi, Yogi is in a constitutional position.
So he can't, so 1 minute. So he can't go and take a holy dip in Kumbh. So Yogi Adityanath can't go and take a holy dip in Kumbh.
Yes,
really?
he can't go.
Really? Ishtaran?
Let us put to the constitutional position here. There is nothing in our constitution or any statute which says if you are on a constitutional post, you can't practice your religion. That is the problem. Some constitutional posts can use the state machinery to organize enormous festivals which used to be organized for decades in India, but that is constitutional post in which you are using money also for doing that. But when Yogi does it, it becomes a problem because in a constitutional post, so he loses the right to practice his religion. Or as I said, ask the 3 panelists or 4 panelists on this debate, why did they object to Rajnath Singh doing Shastra Puja? What was the objection? Please ask. Do they stand by that objection even today?
बोलिए.
It's
Objected to that.
unconstitutional on
Where are
his
you
part.
getting it from? I'm sure, and nobody objected in the manner
I
that you were
want,
trying
you
to.
want me to read it? I will read it out. I will read it out.
Yeah, please read out a statement from me objecting to it. Please do.
From Congress. You are not important enough
I
for
am
your
not
statements to be
Congress.
reported. You are not important enough for your statements to be
You just
reported.
now said,
How do
no,
I
no,
find
no, no,
that?
Ishkaran.
Delusions of
Ishkaran, you
grandeur.
are not important enough
No
to be
delusions of grandeur. Find my statement.
You are not
Yeah,
important enough to be representing the BJP. That's what you don't
I said opposition objected. You may be opposition to common. Pranesh, can I finish my point?
One person at a time, please.
Can I finish
Nikhil,
my
1
point?
minute. Ishtaran is
Can I
saying
finish
something.
my point? Can I finish my point? Pranesh, it is good to have delusions, but we shouldn't have such delusions of grandeur that you believe that 6 years ago, some statement you made, you are the entire opposition. You may be opposition to common sense, you may be opposition to intelligence, but you are not opposition to government of India. So please, I was
Okay,
talking about
Nikhil-
statement by leaders of opposition.
Nikhil, let him respond.
No, Pranesh, but he made a statement that the 4 people made a statement against that. I did not make a statement. Now he says I have delusions of grandeur. Fact is, this man has no idea, no logic, no.
Forget the man.
He's
Counter what he's saying. Nikhil, forget the man.
Nobody
You answer
made
what
a-
he's saying.
Let me answer on that. First of all, I did not say anything. So far as the entire Congress ecosystem is concerned, nobody raised the kind of objections that he is talking about. Yes, some people criticized it, some people mocked it, some people
Oh, so
said
some
it should
people
be done in a
mocked it.
secular
It's
country.
okay. Why do
No.
you land your party in trouble? Some people mocked it, but it's
I
okay.
am talking about his ecosystem. I am talking about his ecosystem.
Oh,
I'm not talking about the
ecosystem.
Congress party.
Okay.
I am
Do
not
you
talking
know?
about the
Do you
Congress
know the
party.
kind
The
of
Congress
commentary by
party-
Congress
the
leaders
Congress-
against Sanatan? That is not the ecosystem. It is the Congress party.